Southern Europeans carry relatively more of the farmer ancestry, right? Eastern Europeans carry relatively more of the hunter-gatherer ancestry, and Northwestern Europeans carry relatively more of the Yamnaya Bronze Age ancestry. And
When you say Northwest Europe, what countries today would that
well,
include?
that would be, Scandinavia, right? The Netherlands, Germany, places like that,
Mm-hmm.
right? And what is really interesting is, there's something called UK Biobank, which is really a huge database with all the information that people know about in terms of genotype-phenotype relationship. It means, what mutations, if you want, or variants, genetic variants are giving you a higher probability of getting tall, for example, or, getting diabetes or getting multiple sclerosis or all kinds of stuff, right? Eye color, whatever. And now when you can say the the genomes of the original populations, right? The three populations, the hunter-gatherers, the farmers, and the Yamnaya. Then you can actually take their genomes and paint UK Biobank, right? And say, well, is there certain traits that arrived with each of these three migrations, right? And therefore has a higher or should have a higher frequency in the different parts of Europe, right? And there you can see well, as I said, this about being tall, Northwestern Europe coming in with Yamnaya, right? Uh, Alzheimer's, for example, is a trait where the genetic variants giving an increased risk of Alzheimer's seems to be coming in with the hunter-gatherers, right?
Hmm.
So it should have a higher frequency in Eastern Europe. Uh, Anxiety, is a trait that seems genetically come with the farmers, right? Should have a higher
Hmm.
frequency in Southern Europe.